Mi ò bínú rárá. But mo ti realize pé o wà interested for serious relationship. And money it's not everything. Tó bá ti ready for serious relationship, jọ̀ọ́ get back to me.
Oh, come on. I don't care. Hey, babe. Ronke. Okay, Ronke. Ronke. Go dress up. Let me take you out. Carlos celebrate your birthday. Larry me at 10 o'clock.
You know I'm not in the mood for all of that.
You should be in the mood.
I wanna make you my angel, baby girl.
How could you let this happen?
How could I let this happen? I didn't intend for this to happen.
Take it out. Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
No. Jimmy, the last time you promised me that it wasn't going to happen again. I almost lost my life.
Baby, don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. You want to bring a child in this financial situation when there's no money? Huh? In this recession in Nigeria, no child of mine will be born and will suffer. I am not ready.
Pray for a better day. I know you're feeling like your world is burning up. You wanna carry on, but the strength just ain't enough. Sometimes you feel like the sky is crashing down, and you feel all hope is gone. But all you gotta do is just pray for a better day.
Yeah, listen, they say this life ain't fair, but I'm light-skinned. That's why I'm hungry for success like I've been fasting. Failure ain't an option, not even a last thing. So I keep my hope on my faith, everlasting.
I see the sunrise with my own eyes. Feel no pain where my heart lies. We should hold on, be strong together. Pray for a better day. I know you're feeling like your world is burning up. You wanna carry on, but the strength just ain't enough. Sometimes you feel.
Would you like to trade places with me?
Follower. My dear Pele, how are you? I need you to take this one. Bele. I need you to drink it all up. Try now. And stop squeezing your face as if I've done something bad to you. Eh? Bele. I need you to just drink it up. Drink everything. It's for your own good, you know. Good. Take. Go on, Bele. Try some more, my darling. Yes. Try some more, Bele. Yes. Bele, dear. Good. Oh, well, try. Bele. Bele. There you go. Mommy. Kilode. Hey, Jojo, what she crying? My God, yo! What is it? Jojo. Fifoluwa. God, yo! Fifoluwa, má ṣe báyìí. Fifoluwa. Kilode. Don't do this to me. Fifoluwa, please. Hey, Fifoluwa, Jonah.
Hold you down for nothing, eh? One by one, why you looking like you don't do it? Na party you say, make you sorry.
Excuse me, madam.
We closed for the day. This is not a customer that is 24 hours.
Madam.
What? I haven't even finished one bottle and you're talking about closing for the day. Am I not spending money here? I don't blame you at all. I'm spending money here. Is it your fault?
Yeah, it's okay. Just leave. It's okay. All right. Hi, Pepper. Yeah. Okay. You sure? All right. Just hang around and have fun. Piper, are you okay? Sorry, give me my car keys, please. Piper.
So, you feel better?
I'm doing great, Doc. Considering.
It's okay. I'll need to ask you a few questions. Considering your present health condition. Are you strong enough to answer questions?
Do I have a choice?
Tell me, how would you rate your present smoking and drinking habits?
Very high, I suppose.
Oh, very high. Do you eat healthy and exercise? How often do you eat fruits, vegetables, and drink water? How often do you eat fruits, vegetables, and drink water? I'm sorry to say this. Your kidneys are failing. So considering the fact that we
I guess that's why I choose this lifestyle. Nothing good was meant to come out of this goddamn life anyway.
Do you have any family member we can talk to? Someone we can always get to?
I guess not.
Sorry, yeah. Small. James. Oh yeah, try me, you get up, come eat.
Eat?
If I chop something.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry, Mama.
James, small, you go chop small, here.
Mama, let's take him to the hospital.
Hospital?
James, you go try get up, eh? Look, we help you waka go anti-chemist.
James.
Bring the shirt. You go stay back for us. Eh? Carry that food, come out, I beg.
Sorry.
You need to brush your leave shirt like that. Make we go first. Deep shit like that. How about
My back.
try and get up. Try and get up.
James, wake up. Sorry.
Auntie Chemist, please. Please, you will help me again now. Please, oh.
What is wrong with James?
My son, no, now, please.
Okay. He needs pain injections. How much do you have on you?
Eh?
How much do you have on you?
I don't have anything on us, Auntie.
Yes.
Ha. Well, I know say not me get the place now. Not me get the shop. Well, I can help make her take help now. Ha.
We've used the little we had to buy in the things that we could get yesterday.
Auntie Chemist.
Good afternoon.
Auntie Chemist.
Welcome, sir.
Anyway.
Yes, sir.
Please, can I get some vitamin tablets?
Yes, of course. Like a pack.
Right? A pack will do.
Please, Auntie Chemist, I beg you.
Okay, I've told you now. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. People don't have much
I know
money
you.
Okay? Oh.
Yes.
Smelly, right?
Yes, good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, help me. Help my brother. My brother is in pain.
God. Oh, look, we need to get this man to the hospital now.
Yes, hospital.
Let's get him to the hospital. Please, come. Gradually. Yes. My vehicle is outside.
Put your leg there. Put your leg there. Yes.
There's nothing anyone can do about it. I am getting married to Tokunbo, and that is it. Wow. Toba. What is your problem? Eh? Demi alone. I said, what is the problem with you? Why wouldn't you just listen to what your mom and I are saying? Why wouldn't the two of you just allow it? Life bent her over pretty bad and she got a life she doesn't deserve. I can't judge her. Neither should you. We're just lucky to have this life.
I'm glad you noticed death is staring you in the face. And you allow it to point its wand at you?
Mom!
Oh, shut up. No child of mine will disobey me.
Mom, you can't decide who is fit and who is not for me. Only God decides a man's fate.
What? You don't know what you are putting yourself up against by protecting her.
I am not trying to protect her, Mom. I am only trying not to be judgmental here.
Oh, just being the boy that you are.
Come here. Come back here this minute.
Toba, no.
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
I love you so much, TK. You know that, right?
I know, and I love you too.
Okay, let's toast to our love, our future, and an unbreakable bond. Will you, Tokunbo Phillips, do me the honor of being my wife? What is it? Did I disappoint you?
You
have just made me the happiest woman to be lover.
TK, I want you to know that no matter what tomorrow brings, I am yours forever. Okay?
Okay. Thank you for loving me regardless of my baggage.
You're worth everything, and you know that, right?
I know.
I promise you, it's going to be a surprise. So I will
go to Ilikoje Castle.
Aha! There he is. Come on in, young man. Wow. We have some important visitors in the house. Good day, sir. Good day, man.
Toba, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Toba, you're looking really nice.
Thank
So
you.
how are you?
I'm okay, thank you, ma. Wow, Fifi, it's been like forever. How have you been? You look really good.
Oh, you too, you noticed. Ah! Fifi is now a big girl. I'm glad that you noticed.
I'm very fine, Toba. You don't look bad yourself.
Wow, thank you.
Toba, do you know that this daughter of mine, Fifi, she came out with the first class honors from the University of Ife. The great Ife.
Yes.
And
yes.
she'll soon be going abroad for her studies, for her masters.
Very soon.
Wow. Such accomplishments should not be kept from people.
Yes.
You should be proud of yourself. Congratulations, yeah?
Do I see someone blushing?
All right, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am.
That's
That
okay.
woman.
That's okay. Bankole, your boy has grown so mature.
You can say that again.
Wonderful.
Oh, yeah, what is it?
Where
did you?
Yeah.
Hi, Toba. Hope I'm not interrupting.
Hi. Not at all. I just came out here to return a call.
Really?
Yeah.
I could give you some space if you wish.
No, it's fine.
Okay. I'm so happy to see you again after a while. I mean, I come here often, but you're always not around.
Well, I'm always out there trying hard.
You should come home often. There is no place like home, and no one can replace home.
Where did that come from? So tell me, how have you been? I mean, your health.
You know, I should go inside now.
I'm sorry. Wait, did I say anything wrong? Did I say anything wrong? Dad, Mom, I have great news to share with all of you.
Great news. What's the news? I mean, we can't wait to hear it. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, Larry,
Mama.
bro, you guys are right on time, yeah? Like I said, I have an important news to share with all of you. For those of you who don't know, my love, my best friend and confidant of 8 years, has agreed to marry me!
Wow! Congratulations, Toba. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you, Fifi. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Uncle, we have to.
Yes.
Leave.
But let me talk to him. I need to.
Arira.
Arira.
Okay, my dear.
Oh my God, congratulations, bro. I mean, like, you two are just so perfect, so adorable. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you, sis.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you.
You have to make sure you stand by her against all odds.
Of course, I'll do that, huh?
You must be insane to think us all a fool. That is a fantasy that can never come true. It can never come true. I've told you that. Don't you understand? It's not going to come true in my lifetime.
Mommy, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ now, mommy?
It is not going to work out like that. You had better give yourself a rethink now.
Daddy.
Timba, daddy anyway.
She be like father, like son.
He took after you. He took after you. A very stubborn and inconsiderate child of yours.
Well, he is his father's son now. He is your son.
Anyway,
you, Agbeni Colonial and Borishu, I will show you. You know that time, Egbenu still and Becca Basso Toro and Faying, Abby. Get out of my parlor.
Why did you choose to hurt me this way? Toba, why? Why?
I love her so much, Mom.
So much more than me? You love her to the extent that you have to hurt your own mother, a dead woman walking?
Mommy, say all you wish, but those words won't change a thing.
What kind of a girl? What kind of a girl will force her way into a man's life and separate him from his family? And then you talk about loving. I'm hurting. Is this what she wants?
Mom, she's a good girl. She wouldn't want to do that. See, Mom, we're going to be together forever, and there's nothing anyone can do to stop us.
I see what you have gotten yourself into, Toba.
Mommy, please now.
I just don't want you to become a widow at such a young age. That girl, she has done it all. I'm not even sure that she can produce a child.
Abba. Mommy, please. But Mommy, tell me, what has she done to deserve all this trashing? Listen, the future is way out of our hands. It's only God that decides. Mommy, okay, I want to go home now. I'll come over at the weekend to see you and Dad. Okay? Sweet Mommy, you know I love you now.
Look at these rock girls.
Oh my.
What?
Wow.
Close your eyes.
Oh, you're good, girl. I told you Toba was a catch.
I mean, ladies, this guy has got class and taste. All I need to do is just lay my finger on one of such men, and he'll be mine forever.
TK,
why the Momo face all of a sudden? Is it because of what I said?
come on, girl. You're supposed to be jumping and counting your stars.
Yes.
my God, the last good guy. What?
You guys, you know Toba comes from such a prestigious family.
Yeah?
I mean, what if he succumbs to his family? I feel like our street life is never going to meet up.
Come on.
And you know, I'm worried that he might not even hold on for too long.
Yeah. Listen, girl. That guy chose you.
Yes.
You didn't force yourself on him. So what?
Listen, TK, I understand your fears, okay? But you have to believe in yourself as much as it does. Look, it came just for you.
This guy believes you.
Yes.
He respects you.
Love you.
Is that not what you always wanted, babe?
I know.
Yeah.
I love you guys so much.
Baby,
Yeah.
sit tight. Well, except if there's something you're hiding.
Okay. Are you sure? Come on, we need to toast to that.
What's wrong?
What is it?
Are you okay? Take a sip.
TK, what is it? TK, talk to us.
Are you okay? What's wrong?
Friend, thank you so much. I appreciate it, yeah? It's your turn. So go do the needful. Yeah. So, Joe, was the excitement too much for her?
Well, it's not that terrible.
But what? Come on, dog, just tell us, what is it?
Do I have an infection or was it food poisoning?
Well, actually, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, but I want you to know that you are 8 weeks gone. I mean, you are 8 weeks pregnant.
I'm going to be a father!
No. No.
Baby!
No! No! This can't be. Oh my God.
What do you mean this can't be?
Can't be. This ruins everything. Doc, please help me. I can't be pregnant just yet. I've got something more important to sort out.
I'm sorry, guys. I think I will have to leave you two to sort yourselves out while I attend to some of my patients. So, please take it easy.
What was that all about?
Babe, do you really want to know?
Yes, I want to know. What is more important than you carrying our child? What?
Okay. First, family's everything, you know. Look at me. And I don't want to separate you from yours just because we're starting a new one. Now it's obvious that all I wanted is to trap you.
What are you saying exactly? Okay, you trapped me. Whose business is it? Suddenly you want to live for others and not us. It doesn't make sense, babe.
I'm leaving for nobody but your family. Nobody likes me in your family. Now what are they going to say when the news is out?
The joy of a grandchild would force them to change their mind.
No.
That is more important to them now than any other thing. Yes.
No, Toba. They would love the child, not me. In our culture, you are married to the family, not just the man. And we both know that. In case something happens, you know, what would you have me do? Then you're not going to be there to see how they would treat me.
Listen, babe, I know how you feel. I mean, I understand your fears. You think I don't feel the same way?
Babe,
Come on.
if you feel the same way, then I need your help on this one. I really do. It's you and me forever. I'd rather die with you. Baby, only you.
Yeah, it's been a whole day since you left the hospital. I don't understand what happened back there.
I'm going through a lot right now. I've been sick. I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Where are you?
I'm at my friend's.
Okay. I want to see you.
When I'm home, I'll let you know.
It's okay. I will appreciate that. But why can't I just come pick you up at your friend's? I mean, pick you up and take you home.
Because I don't want you to see me like this.
I know all about you. There's nothing more to hide. Listen, don't just hurt yourself, babe. Remember, you're carrying our child now. Hello? Babe, are you there? Hello? Hello?
There's something you should know.
What is it?
It's not a phone conversation.
All right. Till then.
At his progress. He seems to be reacting well to medication. Yes. As long as you keep giving him the medication at the right time, I'm sure he's going to be fine.
Yeah, he will.
Yes.
So.
And what other things do you people need? How can I be of help?
We don't want anything for now. So thank you, because this is the second time you've helped us. I'm really grateful. God bless you. That's my mom.
Ah.
Yeah.
Your mom. Nice.
Let me go and see her.
Okay.
I'll see you soon.
I'm sure we're going to meet. You'll be good.
Just well. I'm feeling better, Mama. Just my.
You did well.
Ndo?
Thank you. Betty. Thank you so much for always coming to my rescue, okay? You're the world's greatest sister. Thank you.
I have to concentrate on getting better and getting us out of here.
Ellie. Now who be that kind man we carry James come hospital, come pay hospital money?
Mama, Papa, do you remember when I was in school and I needed money to pay for my final year? You didn't have any money because I was stranded. Remember I told you about my friend who introduced me to her father? Well, that's him.
Huh? You give me your phone and I talk with her.
Yeah, he's the one. Is that
Hey. 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 That man na good man. Na so help. Help could you follow that man?
And God go bless her.
Have you given out the drugs to the patient? Okay. Okay, I'll call you back. Okay.
Hello, doctor.
Prof. You're welcome, sir. Very welcome.
Thank you.
Wow,
Thank
you know we don't see people like you around here often. So, what brought you around our premises today?
I came to see the person I brought to this hospital.
Oh.
And I've settled his bill.
Okay.
I thought, let me come in and check on you before leaving.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're
Thank you very
welcome.
much. Actually, he's doing pretty well.
Oh, good.
He's doing pretty well. From his test results, it indicates that he has fever and some kind of infection. You know, his PCV was actually low too, you know, which actually caused the crisis.
I see.
Yeah. But we've placed him on some antibiotics and painkillers, so he will be fine. He was also transfused as well.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Thank you.
You've really been taking good care of him. Thank
sir.
you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Just doing my job. I will have to say that young man is a very, very strong man. A very, very strong man. Well, and also I have to thank you for bringing him that early, because if you did not intervene that early, I can assure you it would have been worse.
No need to thank me. You just keep doing what you need to do. I will offer my help however way I can. By the way, there's a patient here by the name Piper.
Oh.
Do you know her?
You know Piper?
Yeah, I do. She's still here.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
What's her condition?
Prof, if I have to be very truthful, her case is on another level.
What do you mean by that?
You know, Piper is someone I've always been treating, you know, because she's an executive with K&J, a company that pays her medical bills. But her own sickle cell condition has driven her to this certain lifestyle that I don't understand. You know, she virtually drinks whiskey for breakfast and smokes cigarettes for dinner. And it's not good for her health at all. It's not.
Probably she's living every day as if it's her last. Huh? She must be afraid to face the future.
I'm really worried for her. I'm really, really worried for her.
Huh.
But I don't mind if we could go see her in her room, you know, you could say a few words to her.
Yeah, I think I would like to do that.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
Please.
Thank you, sir. Hello, Piper.
Hey, Doc. How you doing? More
I'm
bad
doing.
news?
No, not at all.
You don't fool me.
Hello, Piper. Oh, how are you, Piper? Hope you're getting better.
Mr. Stevens.
Yes.
It's so good to see you again. Good afternoon. How is Cynthia?
Oh, she's fine. She doesn't know you're here, otherwise she would have come visiting. Trust me.
I know.
Trust me.
I know.
It's okay. We're working really hard on it.
Yeah.
Right?
Put your mind at ease, young woman. Commit all to God. He listens.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
I'll need to talk to Prof in my office. He just wanted to say hi.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's go. Take care.
Are you leaving? Is that it?
No. I don't know how I'm going to say this. It's so difficult.
Okay. Talk to me.
I've lived my life waiting expectantly for love to find me and wipe every bit of my past. But instead, life decides to make me live trying to please your family.
You haven't met them.
Yet they judge me when they do not know me.
So?
So? I have STD.
What do you mean, STD?
Yes. I have STD. It has been my big secret.
You mean sickle cell disease? When were you going to tell me?
Try. God knows I tried. But every time, something important and exciting just kept popping up. And I just didn't want to be that person to take your joy away.
You think it is fine for you to say it now? Why?
Because, Toba, it's too much of a burden to carry when I want to fit in perfectly. I just want to fit in. I want to do everything anyone else can. Whether you stay or not, whether you love me or not, I want to be free. I was going to have a bone marrow transplant. And the proposal, the pregnancy. Babe, please say something. Anything is fine by me.
How do you want me to process this? This explains everything. I mean, the in and out of hospital back in the UK and then here. Every word my mother predicted is staring at me right now. Just yesterday, I was busy telling everyone you were pregnant and our plans for being together forever. And now this.
Toba, I've spent days, though sick, thinking of this day. And I've just realized that I've done nothing for myself than live in fear of your family. This is what it did to us.
No, it is all your fault. You made everything happen, not my family. I was the only one caught between the crossfire. Just like everyone else who thought it was just a bone pain. This is how it ends. When truth prevails.
The truth was always going to hurt. But I'm sorry, okay?
What if my genotype wasn't AA?
But this was why it was always easy to hold on to the truth. I was safe this way.
You call this being safe? Is that what you call it? Being safe? This is ridiculous.
I'm going to have a bone marrow transplant anyway. For the sake of my health.
And the baby?
So,
You're sorry? You're sorry? Is that what you say? You're sorry? You were given a chance to live life, but you're willing to take away someone else's chance to live. Who thinks like that? Who?
Stop the car.
What for?
You show up suddenly and want to act like we are friends.
But we were once friends. I mean, cool friends.
So, why did you look away? Is it because I was ill?
Come on. I couldn't have done that if...
But you did! You suddenly cut off. You stopped calling. I pondered on what I might have done wrong. But as days passed, I shed those weights, telling myself everything was going to be fine. That was when I got better.
Fifi, I'm sorry, okay? I didn't know the consequences of my action were that much. I was totally depressed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You asked about my health. The news is getting worse.
But you look strong.
Don't be deceived by the looks, Toba. I still can't live life like you do. It gets worse by the day. The pain becomes agony, and it takes everything away from you. Everything. Nobody wants to associate with you anymore. You don't fit in. They see all you suffer, but they don't have an idea. Trust me, you don't want anyone to see you that way.
I'm really sorry about that, okay? I'm sorry. But I still want to be your friend, regardless. Let me be the last man standing. Okay?
Just drop me off and be gone to your lover.
Ah, come on.
So how is she? She's sick, right? She has sickle cell. Is that why you're troubled? Toba, I don't know if a sorry can do. But trust me, I understand how you feel.
Thank you.
Believe me, she's going to be overbearing. But none of that is intentional. It's just the pain that's complicated. Just find a way around it, okay? Don't abandon her, especially now.
Yeah.
So, cheer up.
Alright, let me drop you.
Sometimes I feel your heart is breaking, 'cause my love is not enough. And then I feel my heart start aching, but I notice from your touch that I still got you. 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 I still got your love.
I see you guys are getting along.
He just got to drop me off, that's it.
Maruva, we've always been friends.
His family likes you.
Mommy, how is that reasonable when you know he has a fiance?
Oh my dear, don't worry about that. What should I say now? She's a shadow walking about, and his parent doesn't approve of it. Okay?
Did you ever tell them I have sickle cell? I see you're not proud of your own. How then do you want people out there to think of me?
You're my daughter, and I'm very proud of you.
Prove it then. Go to them tomorrow and tell them what I am.
She has not had any crisis repeatedly like this before. So I think we need to take her to the hospital before it gets out of hand.
Please, Daddy, I don't want to go to the hospital. Daddy, please. I don't want to go to the hospital.
Honey, look, I agree with you.
Daddy, please,
we
I'll
should.
be fine.
Danladi will take you to the hospital, and Dr. Joe will take very good care of you. Okay?
Sorry, dear. Sorry.
Come on, sweetheart.
You'll be fine. Okay.
Okay.
Look at you.
Toba.
Hi.
I can see my mom and yours have bullied Jane to come in to check on me.
Funny girl. Well, yes, I met your mom yesterday at the mall and she said you had crisis. And nobody bullied me to come see you. I just figured it wouldn't hurt to come check up on a friend, a darling friend.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So tell me, what were you watching?
It's sort of a true life story about hope, written and directed by a sickle cell survivor.
Sounds interesting. Would you be so kind to send me the link? At least let me see it myself.
Of course. Why would I reject such requests? I will. I'll send it to you.
Thank you. So tell me, how are you feeling now?
Well, I'm getting better.
Okay.
So how's wifey to be?
Well, wifey is fine. She's doing great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, regardless of anything, she needs you. She is human, not a monster.
All right, thank you, Ma. Thank you.
I think I should leave now before boyfriend sees me smiling with
Go away, Joe.
Come here.
Oh, thank you so much.
All right.
I'm really grateful. All right, bye.
Bye.
Remy,
Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn jàre.
I like what you did with your shop.
Oh.
It's really beautiful.
Ó ṣé ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Àpòwọ́lé gan o.
Àmì, ó ṣé gan. Oh, by the way, did you hear that Toba went to visit Fifi at the hospital yesterday?
Well, that was very sweet of him, but I wonder how that is great news. After all, we were at your house the other day when he announced his engagement to some strange girl.
I am not worried about that. Yeah, that is not an issue.
Really?
My son can never marry that girl for a reason best known to us.
I don't think that is possible. You know your son, we both know it. Your son is madly in love with that girl. Oh,
what did you say just now? Your son? Oh, mommy. Don't worry yourself. I'll know how to handle him. You said it now, your son. Don't worry, it's my son. I will know how to handle him. And me? So, can it be?
James, can you go home? You know you're not supposed to be doing all these hard works.
You know I have to help you, especially now that Papa is busy with the government program. And you know Mama is in the market trying to sell off the rest of the things we have. Look, if we all don't play our part, how do we raise the money we need to pay for my law school?
Did we tell you can't be able to raise the money for you? We'll get through it the same way we have always done.
I know. But it's just so difficult having to watch you, Papa and Mama go through all this just to make sure things are fine for me, Melly.
What do you mean? What are you trying to say?
I'm supposed to be a man, Melly. But I can't. I can't because this sickle cell disease is killing me by the day, isn't it? Day and night, I have to go to bed hoping I will wake up to the reality of all this being a dream. But no. Picture that, Melly. How does that sound like? I think it's better to just die and save you all from this emotional torture.
Don't you ever say that again! You're not giving up on me. On us. Not after all this fight. After everything we've been through.
It's just so difficult to watch you do all the man duties just because my body cannot handle it. It's very tiring, I tell you. It's too tiring.
You are a strong man. So strong that I need your spirit to work. It's only lack of confidence that makes a man weak, not the absence of physical strength. Believe in yourself, James, and watch how fast everything falls into place.
I'm trying. I'm trying not to give up, but sometimes it's just so difficult. It's just exhausting. It's fine. Look, I'm sorry if what I said got you annoyed, okay? It's not easy on me. But thank you so much.
Thank you. It didn't get me annoyed, but inside it got me disappointed. A true hero will fight through anything, and you have been doing a good job on that.
You think? Can I at least have a smoke?
This is not a joke. Do you understand? I'm serious here. You neglected your body, that's why it's failing. Don't you understand?
What do you want me to do? What? What do you actually expect me to do? If it's death, then so be it. I have lived on the edge. After all, no one in this world knows I exist. I will take what comes to me, okay? Thank you.
No. I won't let that happen. Not on my watch. Do you understand me? Piper, please. Don't let your struggle and your pain make you a victim. Don't let it. You can actually drive your pain to become someone else's hero here. Don't you get it?
It's not easy. It never has been and still isn't. Fine. I can agree with you. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. You'll be fine, right? Stop
Babe, you've not had any of your food.
I'm not happy at all.
What is it, Chike? Speak, woman.
Well, it's no news that I'm pregnant.
Thank you.
And Toba's parents just don't like me. But it got worse today.
Oh my God. How? Did they put their hands on you?
No.
Thank God.
But I had the chance to tell him the truth about my health. And he felt I have failed him.
What truth?
He just found out about my health issues yesterday.
TK! But that is not nice.
He was deeply hurt. That's the last thing I want to see him go through.
So what is he saying?
Well, you know, he just told his family about the plans to marry me.
Mm-hmm.
Now this pops up. But to be honest, I'm glad he knows now. At least I have nothing else to hide.
Come here, love. Come.
You got my message from your father, right?
Yes, that's the reason I'm here.
Oh.
How's Piper? How's she holding up?
Well, Piper is hanging on there. Actually, we're having issues with her donor. If we can reach any of her family members, it will just be a forgotten story.
She's a foster kid, you know.
She didn't fall from heaven. She would definitely have a family member we could reach.
Yeah, I guess so. Something useful might come up. What if we contact other hospitals and then they can alert this hospital if they find a match?
That's a very brilliant idea. I never thought of that, you know. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think I will have to put that to play now.
Okay.
Yes, I remember. Yes. You are Melly's father, right?
Oh, guys, me, God will bless you for
Good to meet you again. Good to meet you.
God will bless you for me.
Please sit down.
Bless
sit down.
you all the time.
It's okay. Please sit down.
God is
How is he now?
wonderful. James is fine.
He's better now?
Fine, he's
Good. Please sit down. Sit down.
Aye, Oga, you have a good heart. And we meet here. Oh, Oga, you're kind. Oga, you're very, very kind.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, let me congratulate you for being one of the farmers to be rewarded by the Ministry of Agric for staying true to this noble profession.
Oh, guys, you again. God is using. Thank you.
You stayed true.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I also have this package here. I will present you with this package. In this package, you have all the documents and the check from the Agric Ministry. Once again, congratulations, sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Oga. Oga, thank you. Oga, thank you. God go bless you.
Mom, Dad, I have something to talk to you about.
Okay.
Sit down. Yes, go ahead. We are all ears.
I know you both love me very much.
Of course.
Yeah.
We love you.
But unfortunately for you, Sickle Cell has made me incomplete in your eyes. You dump me in the hospital whenever I'm sick without coming to check on me, talk more of a sleepover.
Oh, come on now. Don't talk like that. Look, we've been battling with you ever since we found out you have the disease.
Absolutely. And besides, you have everything that you need in the hospital. And must we sleep over with you for you to understand that we love you?
You've been battling with me by dumping me in the hospital and waiting for the news?
Fifi,
What news?
what exactly are you talking about? What news? Come on, Fifi. Don't reason like a child. And besides, we pay all the bills.
This is all your fault anyways. I am in this situation because of you.
You wanna carry on, but the strength just ain't enough.
Ta ló ń kọ̀ nínú yín náà? Ta ló ń play orin nínú yín nígbà tí mi wà lókè lẹ́ẹ̀kan?
I'll play music. I'll play music, sir.
Wọ́n náà wáyé ìgbó ẹ̀mí kan play orin kárẹ́ ní ọ̀hún. Etí dùn mí ni mi ò gbọ́ orin lórí fóònù ẹ̀yọ̀kan nínú yín. Kálẹ̀ nìyẹn.
I'll play music.
Tí kankan nù yín ò bá play orin, ta ni fóònù ẹ̀rín tí mò ń gbọ́ ti lọ? Kí ló lọ?
The moment I set my eyes on you, all the love, emotions, feelings that I had for you just came rushing back.
Dara, it is you I want.
Ìmọ̀ ayélujára tí ìlú ń ṣe látàrí ọ̀dẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀wà kí yàn ṣẹ̀wà gan-an ti jiná. All the marriage you and I.
So o feel pé mi ò mọ gbogbo rádaràda tí wà tọkọ mi jọ ń ṣe ní kọ̀rọ̀ àbí?
Yes, I was sleeping with my boss.
Orí pẹ̀lú.
Oh my goodness, this is so sweet of you.
Jọ kí ló ń dùn mí? Kí ló fàájò?
make a mess. See one more.
Suspension go team boy. We should not bother. So for reason if you feel
Because you want her to be your wife.
Because you got pregnant.
Toba ma femi ni ko femi. Toba ni femi. Maybe we should end this thing.
Just give me a chance to prove myself. Nobody told me falling in love was this terrible.
Fantastic for mom.
I have an idea. But you take it like Leora. We need to go gangster on her. If I move, what is I go punch that girl.
So can you guys just explain to me why the operation failed? Because you lost 50 million naira!
Boss, honestly, we cannot tell how and where it all went wrong.
I think I know exactly what went wrong. You were ineffective and inefficient. And if we need to find the right info, we would have gotten the money. We would have gotten the damn money!
Mi ò mọ̀ ẹ́. Èṣù mi ni. Tí mo bá fún ènìyàn ní ẹ̀dí ẹ̀sìn, odidi èèyàn ló máa fi ń gbà.
Olúwo oníwọ̀ tún bírèkì bàbá ẹ̀. Ṣó fẹ́ pa ni?
Ebi kọ́ ló máa pa.
Ìmí tún wọlé o.
Ìmí tún wọlé mọ̀nà. Alárí burúkú làwọn méjèèjì wọn láì.
Ní bàbá ẹ̀ méjèèjì.
You no dey see. No see serving space na VIP.
Ilé fẹ́ mo tí mo sọ fún yín, mo ti ta mọ́tò mi. Ilé ti ta, that's it.
Ṣé mi ni mo ṣe ẹ́ ni? Àbí bàbá ẹ̀?
Tó bá jẹ́ pé èmi tí mo jẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ̀ làbúrò ẹ̀ rẹ̀ fún kan, báwo ló ṣe máa feel?
Ẹ̀mí dáàdì gan ni kò save. Ẹni sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀mí dáàdì àwọn ni ò save.
Test Tashi. The result shows that your heart is very weak. I don't think it can last for 3 months.
Bafemi, you left everything for me. How can I be that selfish?
You don't want me here, do you?
Me can't for anybody around for now. Mom?
Ṣé ohun tí wọ́n gbà ọkọ máa ṣe ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ló ń ṣe yìí? Tọ́mọ yọjú àwọn èèyàn kiri.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò ń ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé o, kò ń ṣe ṣeré-ṣeré o. This is a matter of life and death.
Except for some kind of magic. If something happens and she stops loving him.
O máa lose focus ọ̀rẹ́ òye mi lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí o.
I guess you had so much fun and you forgot your wife was crippled.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ tèmi sí kíní o.
Never mind. Nígbà tó fi ìyàwó ẹ̀ ta tẹ́tẹ́ tán, o fẹ́ máa play hero card mi báyìí. Shut up!